Hello and welcome to all. Hope everybody doing great. So let's today also we are going to discuss about another challenge normally MEP engineers facing in the construction industry. Suppose you are working as a fresher or you have an experience of maybe 0 to 3 years, in between 0 to 3 years experience, and you are a mechanical engineer and you are looking after firefighting work. Let's set an example. And what are the challenges you are going to face during execution? If you know before, then your life will be easy and you can tackle all the challenges easily if you are aware about all those challenges. So let's understand by using AI tools uh, what are the challenges may arise and how to mitigate. And hopefully you have gone through all my previous videos and got values. And if you want to share your comment, it will be grateful so that I can also understand you. What is your ambition? What is your goal? Just mention in the comment box. Okay. Don't ask any non-realistic or unrealistic any questions. It should be related to your prosperity. It should be related to your career growth. Okay. And you may ask about whatever questions coming in your mind related to your professional field. And if you're an ambitious person and want to grow fast and want to go to the next level quickly, then definitely you need to learn continuously. Okay, but what you need to learn and how to go to the next level, what is the structure, system, and all. Okay, all those things we are normally discussing in the videos. So I'll give you more updates about all those things. But before that, if you don't yet subscribe my channel, please subscribe so that you will get these nuggets continuously. So let's jump in in today's topic. Okay, here I am going to share my screen. I'll ask one question and what answer will come, let's see, because here I will not teach anything. This ChatGPT is going to teach you. So we are just taking advantage of the leverage of these technologies. Okay. Here I am throw a questions, that is, I am working as a assistant manager in mechanical engineering. So assistant manager means you have already maybe 2 to 3 years experience you have. Mechanical engineering and looking after the firefighting works in a XYZ construction company from contractor site. Please list out some major challenges in firefighting system which I must learn before starting execution work. Let's see. I don't know what will come. Let's see. Here are the major challenges in firefighting system execution that you must master before starting site work, especially from the contractor's perspective. So number one is the understanding design, drawing, and code compliance. Challenges. What are the challenges? Misinterpretation of tender drawing versus construction drawing. Lack of clarity in hydraulic calculations. Non-compliance with standards. What are the standards? NFPA, NBC, local fire NOC norms, etc. Wrong pump head, pipe dia, sprinkler density, zone area assumptions. So in this challenges, so you may aware of, if you're a fresher, you may aware of many new topics. And if you search individual topics, so you will get the results. So accordingly, you prepare for your interview and for the project also. So you need to must learn what is NBC 2016 Part 4, IS Standard 15105, IS 2309, NFPA 13, 14, 20, and 25. So you will search in the Google also, you will get all the information. Reading fire layout. So the drawings you need to read, fire layout, the pump room GA drawing, riser diagram, and the schematics. Interpretation of hydraulic calculation sheet, pressure, velocity, friction loss. The number 2, fire pump room execution challenge. What are the challenges in the fire pump room? Wrong pump selection or layout congestion, vibration issues, then incorrect alignment, cavitation, suction header design issue, NPSH shortfall, air locking in suction line, and wrong sensor or panel integration and sequence of operation failure. So how to mitigate? You must learn about pump head versus system head curve, jockey pump sizing, NPSH requirement, suction piping design, flooded suction, eccentric reducer, no air pocket, installation alignment, vibration pads, NRB orientation, bypass line, fire panel to pump logic, and automation understanding. So many things you need to learn. Number 3, riser and sprinkler system execution issues. The pressure loss challenges. What are the challenges? Pressure loss due to long routes, excessive bends, wrong pipe diameter, then improper branch line layout, dead end pipes, pipe sagging, wrong sprinkler type, orientation, spacing, sealing clearance, and obstructions causing spray pattern issues. Then what you need to do, you must learn the K factor, the sprinkler coverage area, the temperature rating, selection, maximum spacing, minimum clearance, obstruction rules, end of line testing, the drain points, the pressure gauge, flow switches, and seismic bracing if required. And number 4, material and installation quality problem. Challenges: the substandard pipes, fittings, bulbs on site without approval, maybe wrong welding or threading, quality leading to leakage, improper support spacing and the anchoring, unapproved painting or corrosion protection. Now what you need to learn? Approved mix, you will follow the approved mix, material standards, test certificate, UL or FM stamps, pipe schedule types, grouped versus welded versus threaded joint selection, support design, guide and anchor placement, anti-corrosion practice. And in testing and commissioning failures. What are the failures? Hydro test leakage, pressure drop, air entrapment, then flow test not meeting required discharge, pump fails to achieve required head to autologic failure, system unable to maintain pressure due to leakage or NLV failure. Now what you must learn from there, the hydro test procedure, flow test, jockey pump, auto cut in and auto cut setting, fire pump performance test with the hose header, and ULFM NBC acceptance checklist. Then coordination and the site execution bottlenecks. What is the challenges are there? Challenges number 1 is the clash with these other systems like HVAC duct, chemtrace, false ceiling, structural beams, late response from the consultant on RFI or drawing approval, and delays due to front unavailability or sequence mismatch, the poor coordination with civil MEP services, the must learn beam coordination basics, clash resolution, ceiling clearance planning, in preparation of RFI, technical submittals, BOQ verification, WBS planning for pipe riser, zone-wise installation strategy. And the final one is the fire NOC and inspection challenges. What are the challenges? Non-approval due to small design or installation mistakes, missing safety accessories, improper signage, hydrant cabinet issues, wrong pressure at terrace ring main or hydrant outlet. So must learn local fire NOC checklist, state-wise requirement, hydrant pressure requirement, hose reel norms, signage standards, and the documentation required for final clearance. So here it is giving the most critical skills you must master. What are the skills? That hydraulic calculation understanding. Why it matters? Ensures correct pump and pipe sizing. And if you are a mechanical engineer, you are aware about the hydraulic calculation. If you don't know, learn from here also. From ChatGPT also, you can ask, giving an example, it will give you. Pump selection and the operation logic, heart of the firefighting system. Pump selection and operation logic. Why it matters? It heart of the FF system. Sprinkler and hydrant standards, direct life safety compliance. Installation quality avoids leak and the rework. Testing and commissioning, final acceptance depends on this. And the fire NOC knowledge. Project handover depends on this. So these are the step-by-step challenges and for it to learn so that you will not face any problem during execution. In that way, it has been explained. Now here maybe you may don't know many things, maybe you know many things, it's okay. But in a systematic manner, if you want to learn, you just follow this sequence, and whatever the new topics has been arrived, okay, you just ask the questions in the ChatGPT, will get the answer, and accordingly you prepare yourself. Even all the standards also you will get from the Google or whatever the questions. It is not only this particular AI tool, there is many other AI tools are available, okay, from Google side also, Microsoft also. So you can ask anyone. So I just stop here. What I'm actually spreading the message to the engineers, MEP engineers, basically for the engineers who are working in the construction industry or want to work in the construction industry as a fresher. Okay, so it is very easy to get the knowledge nowadays. Earlier, maybe you will not get all those data from the internet. Internet availability also not there. Speed also not there. Now there is a speed, now there is a information, now there is a many tools. So there is a abundance of the information, right? But thing is that how to prepare, why you prepare, if you need to understand, you need to clear about your why. You need to clear about your future. You need to clear about your goal. That only matters. Okay. Technical information is you will get easily, even though if you don't know anything about all those details what I'm just explaining through this AI, you will know everything gradually with your experience. But it will take time. First of all, it will take time, maybe after 10 years, maybe after 15 years, because you will not face all those challenges at a time. Gradually you will get fine. But if you have a eagerness to learn all the systems, what are the systems related to firefighting or any other system, HVAC, ELV system, electrical, okay, plumbing, that how to learn and what to learn, that you need to find by yourself, okay, and accordingly you must learn and go ahead. But before, you need to set your plan. Okay. Suppose you're working in this firefighting domain since last couple of years, and you want to become a great firefighting engineer, then it is okay. You can go ahead with this construction company. But if you are from the contractor side and you are in a project, in a building project, any type of building project, it may be airport, it may be commercial, residential, hospital, hotel, whatever, and you're from the main contractor side like L&T, Shapoorji Pallonji, like Tata, okay, and you are focusing only one subject like firefighting system, then you will be stuck up. You will not grow. Your ambition should be become a MEP head or the MEP leader, MEP project manager, so that you can handle all the systems, all the subjects, all the packages. Okay. And once upon a time, after a certain period of time, it will not managing the packages. It is managing the people, managing the systems, and more you need to focus on the cost, income, profitability, management, okay, leadership, all those things, so that your company will grow. Here it is not, and it depends on you also. So it's a different topic. Just I want to emphasize that how to learn technical things easy and fast. Search there and you will find it. Okay. And if you want to go to the next level from a site engineer to the MEP project manager, so hang on with me. I'll give you more details about in the later future, so that how fast you can go to the next level, you can understand, and you will achieve your target. So thank you till now. Bye.